Okay, video recording with the Pixel 4. Let's kind of show you guys video play while walking and talking, audio. This is a selfie cam and outdoor lighting with water and mist all around me. The Pixel 4 video recording in 60 frames per second with the rear cam in the back. You guys can see there's like image stability in the shot. That actually looks pretty good, I'd definitely say. So another video test without the sun blaring in. So we got the shadow of the building, and this is raw audio. So there's nothing else. As you guys, you guys can look through the lens of my sunglasses and see there's no attachments on the phone. This is just raw audio from the microphones on the phone. Yeah. I do have to say that obviously, I feel like sometimes that the best results comes out from a phone that's fairly new. So we'll see over time how the photo degradation is, if there is any, or if there is not. So now this is the rear camera, and I scaled it down to 30 frames per second instead of 60 frames per second in full 1080p. So we're looking for the image stabilization, whether it's EIS or OIS. And we'll zoom into something here. And zoom out. And continue on about my day. So this is recording indoor without like the outside sunlight on the Pixel 4's camera. So indoor recording with the selfie camera too. So we're at my favorite Thai restaurant called Thai Recipe Bistro. It's great food. I'm ready to order. I'm hungry right now, and I just got me some Thai tea, so I'm waiting for that. And yeah, I think today I'm gonna go with the tofu fried rice. That's my thing. She goes with the beef red curry.
Chicken curry.
Oh, chicken?
Chicken curry.
Beef.
Chicken.
Shrimp. She wants shrimp.
I haven't tried beef curry.
But she loves shrimp. She if you guys want to send her a gift, send her some shrimp because she loves it. And this is the rear camera at 30 frames per second indoor. Just a quick little video because there are the diners. But my favorite restaurant to come to, if you guys ever come to my city in Phoenix, definitely come check out Thai Recipe Bistro. It's to die for. The food is very delicious and it's authentic, and I know because I am Thai, and the cooking reminds me of my mother's cooking.
Let's see it.